important.
Amidst the ongoing heatwave, Education Minister Rakkam Sangma has stated that district administrations and schools heads are authorized to adjust school timings based on specific regional needs. He emphasized that the state government has not issued any directives to change school schedules. He clarified that there are no uniform guidelines from the Education Department allowing schools in areas experiencing extreme weather conditions such as storms or heat waves to make decisions independently without waiting for government instructions.
Don't wait for the government instruction to close down the school. The principal should decide, right? If there is a heat wave, don't wait for the government to decide, right? They should decide by themselves. I think sometimes I would advise our instruct all the institutions on the need basis. Let them sometimes decide, right? For the interests of our children's interests, of our schools, interests of our students, right?